How do I make money online? One of the most common questions I get. And I'm gonna say this, I make money with, I got about 18 different streams of income, 18 companies, 18 brands. That's not including things like real estate and stuff like that. And that doesn't help you. I don't know why people ask that question. The better question is, how can I help you make money online? Going online is the future. Look, the youngest billionaire in history, Kylie Jenner, she did it online. Uber, the fastest company to a $50 billion valuation in history, did it online. Everything that's not online is basically going broke. Sears is gone, Toys R Us is gone, American Apparel is gone, Topshop I just saw is disappearing. So the real question is, how do you make your first dollar online? Because once you make your first dollar, it's easier to make your second. Once you make your second, you can make your 10th dollar, and then your 100th, and then your 1000th, and sky's the limit. So the problem is, it's very intimidating at the beginning. I was lucky enough, I started more than a decade ago, so it's not so intimidating for me anymore. But I remember when I first started, it was like, is this gonna work? I had bought a program from a guy named Corey Rudel for $500, and it was like a 3-ring binder on how to get started online. And there wasn't even video training back then. And I remember going, eesh, is this thing gonna work? Well, since 2014, really 2013, I started rolling out ways that people could replicate what I did with social media marketing, with e-com, with drop shipping, with real estate, all these different things, and as well as, entrepreneur acceleration programs, education stuff, the stuff they should teach in school. What I haven't put out was a way you could make money in the exact same way I make money. So for example, I've got a food company called Farmer's Box. I've got a book shipping company called Mentor Box. These are multi-million-dollar brands. I mean, Mentor Box came out the gate, was a 7-figure business basically in the first quarter that I launched it in 2016. But I've never had a way that could help you. But what if you could partner with my existing businesses, my education business, Knowledge Society, my Tai Lopez brands, with other companies that I'm a part owner or co-founder in? That's the quickest, simplest way. And if I give you a cut and paste system, you don't have to hire people, you don't have to form your company, you don't have to get accountants, you don't have to get lawyers. You just plug and play into what I'm already doing. That's done over $100 million in revenue. So it's not fly by night, it's a proven system. Now you might say, well, Tai, how will I make my first dollar? Well, I've got products that are already selling to people you know. I opened this test group about a little over a week ago. For a week, I wanted to let 1,000 people in, and I was gonna show them using cut and paste system how to make money. Guess what? I just mailed out over 100 checks in the first week, people making their first dollar online. So I decided I'm gonna extend it. And if you're on my email list, you've seen the extension, but I forgot to record a video telling people, you got 1 day left. I'm gonna put a link below or here in the corners. If you wanna get in this cash flow test group where I'm gonna show you how to create multiple streams of income, starting with what I already do, jump in. You got less than 24 hours left. You click the link, you'll see how much time's left. You'll see an explanation of what you're about to get. It's the best thing I've ever put out for helping everyday ordinary people begin that journey of creating multiple streams of income and financial freedom. So yeah, I'll see you on the inside.